Imagine settling into your favorite book and realizing you need a bookmark. Don't worry, we've got you covered with this easy DIY bookmark tutorial. Not only does a bookmark keep your place, but it also adds a personal touch to your reading experience. To begin, gather your materials. Cardstock paper, scissors, markers or colored pencils, ribbon or string, and decorative items like stickers or washi tape. Start by measuring and cutting the cardstock into rectangular shapes, typically 2 by 6 inches. Use scissors or a paper cutter for precise cuts. Next, unleash your creativity by decorating the cardstock. Use markers, colored pencils, stickers, or washi tape to create unique designs. Personalize it with your favorite colors and patterns. Now, add a tassel for a touch of elegance. Punch a hole at the top of the bookmark and thread a piece of ribbon or string through the hole. Secure the tassel with a knot. For added durability, consider laminating your bookmark. Use a laminating machine or clear adhesive sheets to protect your design. Finally, trim any excess material and give your bookmark a final inspection to ensure it looks neat and polished. Add your name or a favorite quote for a personal touch. Place your new bookmark in a book and enjoy the satisfaction of having a unique, reusable marker for your next reading adventure. Happy crafting and happy reading.